Hi, I'm going to do a 12-bar blues lesson, Travis picking on Corrina. It's in the key of A. The version I'm going to do is kind of a Lenny Bro version or Chet Atkins version. It's 12 bars, so if you're familiar with the 12-bar blues chord progression, there's a couple of changes. The second measure is going to be an E9 chord. And when we get to these two bars, they're going to stay on E for 2 bars instead of going down to D. And then it repeats over and over again. So a couple of odd chord shapes that we might not be familiar with that I want to go over. The first is this A7 chord. It's written right here. It's played like this. It's like a D7 chord. And I've got a bass note here. If I take this down, here's your D7 shape. Sliding it up to the 7th fret with an A. That helps us get our melody note. Then we have an E9. E9 looks like this. And I alternate my bass note. And D9, same exact shape, on the 5th fret, like that. We also have a regular A chord, but up on the 5th fret. Some of you might call this an F shape. Up on the 5th fret, like that. All right, so those are our chords for the whole song. It sounds like this. I'll just play through it real quick. Hopefully I get through it okay. There's D9, A, so the little turnaround that I do is just 5th fret, 5th fret on the 4th and 2nd string, down to the 4th fret, down to the 3rd fret, down to the 2nd fret, and that is our A chord right there. The melody, I'm going to go through the melody real quick. I'm actually going to get closer. The melody is going to start on a C sharp on the 3rd fret of the G string. I'm going to play through the melody using just my first finger, just so you can figure out what the melody is. It goes like this. That's up on the 9th fret. Second string. Again. Whoop, wrong string. So I'm going to do that with the chord shapes, but just keep the melody and the chord without the Travis picking. That's the A7. D9. So my pinky is playing all the melody notes that aren't inside of the chord shape. I did forget to hit the E9 chord there in measure 2. So let me do that again. pinky. So I've got the melody and the chords on the bottom. Now I'm going to go and add my thumb. When I add my thumb, I'm going to get rid of some of those chord tones that I was playing, but I'm still going to be fingering them, and I can pick them out as I get better and better at playing the melody. I can throw in some of those chord tones. So this is how it goes with the bass line. Ending on an A9. So my suggestion is practice this in little tiny bite-sized pieces. If all you get is the good, right? Getting your thumb doing it by itself